Last time we talked about grinding a lot. This week we're talking about stiffening things up. Maybe this isn't a motorcycle show after all. Our safe word this week is weld. Welcome to Cafe Chronicles. Last week we welded our hoop on the frame, starting to look really good, starting to look like a cafe racer. This week we're just going to do a slight little bit of welding. We're going to get a little bit of flat bar. We're going to put it in between where the two shocks mount on there and try and just kind of stiffen up the frame a little bit. Then after that we're ready for maybe some sandblasting and we can paint the frame and we're getting this thing going quick.
Start putting it back together.
If we're not careful. Alright, so let's get stuck in. So I think we've done pretty good. Or Superman does good, we've done well. Although we've probably done good. We've done good. Welded in our little brace here, made all the jokes that we can think of. I was going to say at least one good one.
That's a bit of a stretch.
Yeah, we made at least one though. Yeah, we're going to leave it at that for today. Dan's going to have a little look into having this sandblasted.
Get some of that 40-year-old rust off.
Yeah, and it'll kind of prep it up nicely for when we go to paint it. We're thinking about a few paints. We're thinking about roll cage or roll cage paint.
Because what's a bike frame if not just a really tiny roll cage?
I hope you're wrong. We're like, whoa, he's right. It is kind of like a roll cage.
It's a roll cage for the engine, not for the rider.
Fair. Hopefully we're very wrong about that. Hoping that we've seen online people talking about roll cage paint being quite kind of tough. Hey, let's be the guinea pigs. We'll give it a go.
See if it takes a fall.
Hopefully not a fall thing, but well, hopefully it'll take a kind of a glance without chipping, you know. But in fairness, my bike, when I had it powder coated, it wasn't cheap to have it powder coated, and it chipped so much. Like, it didn't chip on certain parts, you know, that were having seat on it, or you know, where you're kind of stuff like that, but it chipped like in other parts really easy, like way too easy. You know, I'm guessing that, you know, of course the powder coating's a lot tougher wearing, but it's not impervious to getting chipped either. So, but hey, we'll be the guinea pigs. We'll try it out and show you guys what it looks like. And I guess we'll also start to have a look at other things that we're going to paint. And we'll see about if there's anything we need to do with them before we send them out as well for blasting. We talked about the triple tree, and there's little risers on it for the handlebars, and you were saying that you want to grind them down and then basically paint it. So we'll give that a go. Well, thanks for tuning in. Make sure to
Like and subscribe.
Don't leave me hanging. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Stay safe.